Class 7 का integers introduction part. Definition. Integers form a bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers. Important. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. Example, -2 plus -4, we get -6. Additive inverse of an integer 8 is -8 and additive inverse of -8 is 8. Suppose we will take uh, 2 2's additive inverse is -2, -2's additive inverse is 2. Closure under subtraction. What happens when we subtract an integer from another integer? Can we say that the difference is also an integer? Observe the following example and understood. 7 minus 9 equals to -2. Result is an integer. Can we say integers are closed under subtraction? Yes, we can see that integers are closed under subtraction. Thus, if a and b are two negative integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Commutative property. For any two integers a and b, we can say a plus b equals to b plus a. Subtraction is not commutative for integer. Example, consider the integer 5 and -3. Is 5 minus -3 the same as -3 minus 5? No, because 5 minus -3 equals to 5 plus 3 equals to 8. And in -3 minus 5 equals to -3 minus 5, we get -8. Distributive property. Distributive property. Addition is associative for integers, is general. For any integer a, b and c, we can say a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. Example, 2 plus 3 plus -2, we get 2 plus 3 plus -2. Additive inverse. When we add 0 to any integer, we get the same integer. 0 is an additive identity for integer. In general, for any integer, a plus o equals to a equals to o plus a. Sorry, 0 plus a. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. If the number of negative integer in a product is even, then the answer is a positive integer. If the number of a negative integer is a product is odd, then the answer is a negative integer. When we multiply or divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first multiply or divide them as whole numbers and then put a minus sign before the quotient. Multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity for any integer. Example, a into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a. Commutative property. Commutative property is closed under addition and multiplication. Commutative property is not closed under subtraction and division. Distributive property examples. A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. The bracket sign shows that A A is multiplicated to B and plus A is multiplicated to C. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.